And look what just came in the mail. Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing Trackmaster Cranky the crane. Also, I did order the windmill to come with it, but we still need to wait for that. So,
and we need to wait for
we've only just got it, and I'm going to unbox it. So I got my scissors, and let's do it. First, we're going to read the back. Does Cranky ever get dizzy? How did I never think of that? Uplifting, loading, up, down, lifting, loading, all the jobs Cranky does really keeps him spinning. Do a 360. Turn to lower Cranky's hook. Pick up crate of lobsters. All right, spin all the way around. What wiggly, wobbly, troublesome truck. Fill him up, Cranky. I thought it said fill him up with Cranky. Flip lever to stop engine on the tracks. I like them pieces. Attach it to any engine like lobsters. Engine sold separately. What? It's any engine that likes lobsters. Connect with all Trackmaster track to complete or playset sold separately. Okay, guys, I think it's time to unbox this thing. I can't wait. Also, it's really warm because it's boiling.
You have to cut that part.
Wait, let's just...
You have to cut that part.
Guys, I've just noticed Thomas is puffing on the back card, whatever thing was. Okay, if Fisher Price changes all these boxes like this, I'll be so happy because I might need to use these for something. But let's open it. How am I supposed to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I just opened this laptop.
Look at the picture.
Yeah, and I just see
Looks very
it's on the other side. So we've got Fun with Friends, full steam ahead there. Where's Percy? Okay, guys, time to open this part. Okay, guys. Now we have Cranky.
That's good.
So I'm gonna take this out. I know, I saw that. Woo, that was a nightmare to get off. Anyways, let's just take these parts off. Things. Okay, guys, I'm almost done. I just need to take that truck part off, and then we'll be done. Okay, guys. I just asked Thomas to record for me, but he ruined the video, so I'm just going to lean up on the window.
Here I am.
Yeah. And I'm going to open it like this, and I might do it with the others instead of just holding the camera. Yes, it's breaking up.
I feel like these boxes are...
Yes, there we go. Okay, guys, so we got Cranky out and the truck.
Yeah. So here's Cranky.
Cranky's not a pirate.
Okay. So here he is. You might like to...
Oh, wait, you're recording?
Yeah?
Okay, guys, I just opened the truck, so I'm going to show you it. Okay, guys, so I opened the truck. I really like this truck because it's my first, 3D model clay face thing that I've ever got for Thomas the Trackmaster truck. Okay, and anyways, it comes with, this lobster thing. And they use, really cool see-through lobster thing. Which is, a lot better than this one. So, and then I really like the truck, as you know. I think it wobbles, I don't know. Yeah, I think it does. Anyways, now I'm going to have a look at Cranky. Okay, guys, Thomas just brought this off by accident. I managed to fix it. So, nothing special about the track place. This thing is, this is just, a normal ocean texture, in the Thomas and Percy talking set with Bull Strobe. Anyways, I'm going to have a look at Cranky now. And I'm going to show you what he does. So, guys, you basically don't even need to touch Cranky and move him around and stuff. What you can do is you can just, basically use this thing to pull up and down like a winch or something. It's really hard to do it with one hand, I just realized. Okay, there's this thing's on this hook, just realized. Anyways, and to move him around you can just use this, just 360. I don't really know what 360 is. And basically can continue going and going. And honestly, I have to give this set a 10 out of 10. Well, guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, notifications, and thank you, Amazon, for bringing this early instead of June 1st. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.